Dear audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Now I am very glad for a nice moment with you. Anyway, I will try my best level to say something about my selected topics. Today's selected topics is American city. This we see that in 1948 to 2010, in this moment, America have a change, such as we see that the fourth side, north side, east side, west side, south side. In this America, we see that the north-south area was situated a petrol station, and beside that petrol station was located a huge road, and beside roads were a tree, some trees, and beside the roads were four factories and playgrounds. In this time, the southeast area was located a local supermarket, and in the southeast area were located some residential house, and southeast area was located church. Between church and supermarket was located a canal. This is the chart of America 1948, and we say that the 2010 the America has very much changed, but some is unchanged, such as roads and roads and petrol station and residential area is not changed, but the were located the four factories, but replaced by the airport, commercial building, and supermarket. And in the southwest area was located local supermarket, but now it replaced by the commercial building, and church was replaced by the sports stadium, and other side is okay, there is no change. This is the chart of America, some changes in 1948 and 2010. That's all for the time being. Thank you everybody. Allah Hafiz.